Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. I'm so sorry my throat is very bad, but still I want to keep the learnings going. That is why I'm shooting it for you. So do watch my video. Anyways, so basically when we start learning to speak in English, we need to get some outputs, right? We need to know new words, new vocabularies, new sentence construction and lots more, right? We need to learn intonation, speech, etc. Rhythm, tone, we need to catch everything. Where do we get all these from? Yeah, can you please write in the comment section? I'll give you 1 minute to think on it. Let me know in the comment section where will you get the inputs from. So for inputs, we need to listen to a lot of stuffs, right? We always say that you have to create an English environment around you. You have to immerse yourself in English. So how do we do that? We are not in an English speaking country, but it's just that we need to start listening to stuffs in English. That is what we mean to immerse ourselves in English or to surround ourselves in English. And this is how we learn our mother tongue, our language when we are a kid or since childhood. This is the way we have adopted or we have adapted this method to start learning a language. So that is why this is the first step we have to start taking care of when you are preparing to learn this language. Now, what kind of inputs we need to start speaking in English? This is something which I'm going to tell you in this session, and I'm going to tell you 5 YouTube channels you need to start watching from today right now to improve your English. It has helped me. I still watch them and it is absolutely helping me, and it is definitely going to help you as well. So guys, on that note, welcome back to my channel. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. But if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, quickly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Do write your comments in the comment section, and do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. What you have to do is stay tuned, stay connected, and watch my entire video to master this skill. So let's begin. Now, whenever we talk about inputs, whenever we think of immersing ourselves in English or creating an English environment around us by listening, we're not very excited about it. Why? Just because we have to listen to everything in English and it starts becoming very tough for us, right? I also, when I thought of trying to listen more and more in English, I didn't have much option. I have my study books to study in English or to talk about it in English or to listen or speak in English. I didn't have any other thing. I just read books to collect information because it was not an internet age and internet came little later. So I was a little slow at that time. I tried to read books and all, but those became very boring at times, right? Every time you can't read a novel, every time you can't read a storybook. You have to read something else. You have to start reading newspapers also, which at times got a little boring for me. But today I'm going to tell you, if you start listening to these 5 YouTube channels, you will definitely enjoy your English, enjoy your time while learning English. And these are some of my favorite YouTube channels which I have been listening since long, and this has helped me a lot. And it is absolutely helping me right now as well. So today I'm going to tell you my secret. On number 5, I have this channel called Simple Things, Surprising Histories. Now, this is a channel in which you will get to learn a lot about different things. It is not about history only. It is related to a lot of things, right? You will get to learn new things there. And it is very interesting. It is very interesting. Simple things they tell you beautifully. And it is very informative. You'll get to know why there are rocks, on the railway tracks. Why there is a wheel, why there is this, that. Lot of things they tell you, common things, interesting things they tell you. They give you reasoning, they tell you about science. and it's so interesting. I love watching this channel. So if you love knowing things, right, and you want to immerse yourself in English, you want to give some time to English, start watching this channel. Right. Number 4, I have another channel for you, which is History in Motion. I have given you the link before as well, and today also I'm talking about it. It is all about history, how humans were created, how there were different ages, what people did, how they grew, all those things, right? So there are lots of information about human beings or humankinds. That is also very interesting. It's a new channel, but I really love watching this. So you can start watching this channel to just, get familiar with the language, to get familiar with English. Okay, and it is interesting as well. It is not at all boring. Trust me on this. Right? Number 3, I have BBC. I love watching all of their series. They have podcasts, they have English speaking sessions, etc., etc. So the channel's name is BBC Learning English, BBC World Service, and BBC Earth. So they come up with a lot of, on Earth they come up with a lot of documentaries as well, like Nat Geo or Discovery channels. They come up with documentaries. Okay, so this is also a channel where you can find a lot of documentaries about, animals or plants, etc., like about the species which is present on Earth. So this channel is a must to watch. It is very interesting. You'll get a lot of learnings from there. There are lots of topics they take up, and it's very interesting. It's not one topic they talk on. So that is why you'll gain a lot of knowledge. You'll get to know a lot of things. You'll know how to talk about on that topic, what vocabularies you can use, what sentence construction, how you can construct a sentence, what you need to say, everything you get to learn from these channels. So start watching BBC Learning English. They have 6 minutes English and they have long videos as well. So you can start watching that. BBC Learning English, BBC World Service, and BBC Earth. On number 2, I have British Council. Their English is too good. They talk about different topics. They take up topics and they speak about it. They will help you to get unstuck. They'll help you with vocabulary. They'll help you with sentence structures and many things. This is also my favorite channel. They have a lot of stuffs, different stuffs which can help you to learn English language. So start watching this. Keep on watching these kind of channels which will help you to improve on your English. Okay, these are very essential. You can listen to their podcast or a lot of other videos. They have a lot of list of videos, guys. So you can just go through the channel and you can start watching whatever you want. You will learn a lot. Get in practice of watching these kind of channels so that you gain a lot of knowledge about different topics. That is important. Okay, and on number 1, I have TED. Now, TED have a lot of channels. One is TED, the other one is TEDx Talks, another one is TED Ed, which is related to education. I love watching all these channels. So start getting into the routine of watching these channels, guys. These are very informative. They take up different topics from different spheres of life. Different people come on stage and give their opinion or talk about their opinion or talk about something or the other which is happening in the world. These are the best platforms where you will get a lot of knowledge about different subjects to speak on. Right? We don't know tomorrow if we'll go somewhere. We don't know what the topic will come up. If we start watching all these channels, we'll get a hang of everything. We'll know what is happening in the world, what we can speak about it. So tomorrow if you go outside and you want to speak in English with people, it will be very easy for you because you have knowledge about it. You know things. You have heard it. So that will help you a lot in gaining confidence and speaking in English on that topic. And these are very interesting also, guys. They make things very interesting. I love listening to these channels. So start watching this channel. Get into the habit of watching these channels. And it is absolutely going to help you to improve your English for sure. So in this way, you'll gain your confidence. You'll get a lot of information on different topics. You'll get a lot of new words or vocabulary, what specific vocabulary is related to the topic, and how you can construct sentences, what sentences you can use, and how you can speak on that topic. And that is very interesting. So you get a hang of everything. Okay, and then later what you can do is you can just switch on your video camera, take out a diary, note the points, and start speaking in front of the video camera. This will help you to practice everything: listening, understanding, and speaking. Okay, so start doing this, start getting into the habit of watching these channels and practicing English speaking in this way, what I said just now. Okay, write down your ideas and start speaking on it about what you have heard from these videos. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching, and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye. Take care.